number 4420A 1998 Polaris SLXH 1050. Department machine out. Has updated ignition system. The seats are been recovered, and of course the bottom plastics are all cracked up on them, but they do kind of hold on there. If you need parts off this machine, you can give Marto Motorsports a call, 218-844-4968. I'll show you the seats here. The seats are hard to find, but until it's all cracked up on the plastic there. The gauge has already been sold out of the machine. The mirrors seem to be okay. Hood, front bumper, corner bumpers. It does have trim, and we will test that. Lot number on the machine is 4420A. So if you need parts off this 98 SLXH 1050, just give Marto's Motorsports a call at 218-844-4968. All the parts will be listed on eBay. If you see something you want out there, just give us a call. We'll give you a better deal. Thanks for stopping by.